Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, hello and welcome back. We made it. Alex here with the fifth and final episode of Flippin' Real Estate series. It has been a wild ride. You've learned a lot, but you're missing just one thing, one step, some would argue the most important step. If you don't do this, then everything else that you've done means nothing. And trust me, I've seen investor after investor stumble over this part time and time again. But not you. You're in good hands. What is the secret step, you ask? It's no secret at all, my friends. You need to know the best way to get this flip sold and fast. If you sold a property before or even flipped a house before, then you know that time is money. A house that sits on the market too long is costing you money every single day. Have you had a property sit for too long? It hurts and stings. Trust me, I've been there. Don't want to go back and don't want you to go through that either. So today I'm going to lay out the most important things that you need to know and do in order to get that house sold fast. Because you know, it's all about the Benjamins, baby. But hold up, if you're not a subscriber, what's up? And if you are a subscriber, what's up? How's it going? Really glad you're back. I missed you. See, if you subscribe, you get a little extra something in our videos. And while you're subscribing, why don't you just hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm? I mean, it's right there. Why not? Now, let's dive in. The first and most important step in selling your flip fast is to find the right agent. Do not wait until it's time to list your flip to find your all-star realtor. You should be interviewing agents, networking, and finding the right agent during the flip, or ideally before you even start. The number one qualifier is experience. How long have they been in the industry? It takes time to learn the ins and the outs, the little details of the real estate industry. It takes years to master the art of negotiation and to really learn how to serve your clients best. Look for an agent with a good track record of serving clients just like you. Make sure they understand your expectations. With anything in life, you are disappointed and feel let down when your expectations aren't met. So communicate clearly from the get-go what you expect from your agent, what you want them to accomplish for you and this project. Number 2, pre-market and preparation. Now that you got the right agent, you're going to need to start to prepare the house to be sold. Your agent should assist you with this. After all the work has been completed, you're going to want to have the house cleaned and professionally staged. You don't want buyers to see all that blue tape and sawdust all over the property, do you? Invest the money to have everything clean, get the yard mowed, and get the house looking in its best condition. Having the property professionally staged is going to increase the appeal when potential buyers are coming to look through the property. A well-done staging will allow the buyer to be able to picture the property as their home. They can imagine them and their kids sitting on the couch watching TV. They get to visualize the family sitting at the dining room table eating dinner and talking about their day. It psychologically changes the way the buyers view the house and allows them to actually envision themselves living in this property as their home. Number 3, open house. Your realtor should be setting up an open house for the general public. However, this is not the open house that I'm referring to. If you plan on making a name for yourself in the local market as a real estate investor, it's a good idea to host your own private open house and invite all the local real estate investors and the agents that you know. This is a great opportunity to network and make some connections. Some of the realtors may have a buyer in mind they know would love to buy your property. One of the investors may have a project coming up that they want to partner with you on. Create a cool investor open house. Provide some food, some drinks, and network with other professionals in your area. There is nothing negative that will come from this. At a minimum, you may receive some feedback on your project and it could spark some new ideas. Okay, you done did it, kid. You successfully flipped a house and got it sold. Now it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy the fruit of your labor. Or is it? I mean, there are plenty of fish in the sea and plenty of houses that need to be flipped. So many diamonds in the rough that could be turned into a new beautiful home for a family. And who's going to make that happen? That's right, you. You're an entrepreneur and you flip houses. Go ahead and put entrepreneur and real estate investor in your Instagram bio. Get back out there and flip some more houses. And hey, I'll be here dishing out more tips and tricks on this channel just for you to help you along your journey. So reach out to me anytime, and if you have a question, drop that below. I will respond to every single comment that I get. Thanks again for watching today. Do not forget to subscribe and stay tuned for our next series, guys. It is going to be a banger.